Neighboring the Dishui Lake on the coast of the East China Sea, Shanghai Dianji University is seated in the college town of Pudong New Area, a center of heavy equipment manufacturing, international shipping, and international free trade. SDJU, established in 1953, is a public university of applied technology with 12,500 full-time students, including over 300 postgraduates and more than 200 international students, and 1,000 staff members in one graduate program and 34 undergraduate programs. With 65-year development, adhering to the strategy of taking technology as base and application as priority, facing service-oriented intelligent manufacturing and equipment manufacturing industries, we have preliminarily built a distinctive system of disciplines, taking engineering as priority, management and economics as two wings, science, literature, and arts as scaffolding support. Lying on the coast of the East China Sea, when the morning sun sheds its first rays into the classrooms and on the bell tower, our campus begins to wake up with the rippling and gurgling of the Moon River. Colorful flowers and green trees on the banks also race to welcome a new day. On the sports field, students are already releasing their vitality. On such green campus, we live and learn with great hope. On the clear and turquoise river, students are racing on a dragon boat. Out of the window, egrets are fluttering freely in the blue sky.
The beauty of a university lies in youth and dreams. You may find overflowing pulse of youth and unrestrained rhythm of dreams on our campus. Young students are displaying their talents in different clubs and communities: rock climbing, painting, and calligraphy, and artistic gymnastics clubs. The beauty of youth also lies in reading. Young students love reading and love exploring in the ocean of knowledge. Students also love lingering in front of the cultural gallery, the miniature of our history, where they can get inspired to go further in their future life and career.
In the lab, guided by a teacher, students are exploring new fields of knowledge. In class, professors are giving their all to the hungry students, where different points of view collide and new ideas are inspired. In academic lectures, students are absorbing different ideas of scholars from around the world. As a university known for science and technology, we are not lack of poetic and artistic atmosphere. Our general knowledge courses, including science, humanities, history, literature, and art, help to foster young students into talents of all-round qualities.
Recent years, our university has made a great leap by establishing colleges with distinctive features: T-Tech School and Sino-German Institute of Intelligent Manufacturing. One of 4 features is the tutoring system, through which students have their own academic advisors and tutors in their 4 years' life. Our dual certification programs in small class teaching help to foster students into talents with international outlook. In the past 60 years, our students have won many nationwide honors and prizes, including National Challenge Cup and National Xiaoping SciTech Team. We have innovated our mode of college enterprise joint education and made great achievements, with the employment rate over 95% for 24 years. Building a top-grade university of applied technology with distinctive features is not just a dream. Today, we have successfully cultivated more and more students with critical thinking. Tomorrow, more engineers and craftsmen from SDJU will take their positive shares in different fields and professions.